In today's video, we're gonna make a turkey club wrap. I love everything about a club sandwich, and wraps are a really convenient way to throw it all in there and make it handheld, and when you have no bread or lots of tortillas from taco night. So I'm gonna start by spreading some ranch at the bottom of my tortilla. On top of my ranch dressing, I'm going to add some greens. You can use lettuce, field greens, arugula like I'm using here. So I like to put them directly on top of the ranch dressing so all the other toppings or ingredients help it stay down. And then to that, I'm going to add a little bit of cheese, because what's a club sandwich or a club wrap without some cheese? And then I'm gonna put some tomatoes right in the middle and some hard-boiled egg, because again, we want to put everything that we love wrapped up in here. And then to hold everything in place, I'm gonna take some turkey, and then I'm gonna fold in my sides a little bit, and starting at one end, the end with all of my ingredients mostly, I'm gonna start folding it in towards the other end. Sometimes you need to push in all the extra and wrap it tightly. I'm going to simply slice this wrap in half and stick it in the lunchbox. Let me give you a quick peek of what it looks like. And with that, while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook and hang out a few times a week. See you next time.